To Spain. Hush.
Alright, G. So here's around Big Bertha on the street. She is definite. I don't know if I did a walk around before with the other one, like when it looked grave. I look, he still gotta hit this, but the only reason I ain't hit that yet, cause like look at this. It's like, what the fuck? Hold on, y'all ain't even like, what is that? I should have never probably done that. But why is it doing that? It's like busted. So I'm gonna have to probably rip this whole thing. That's fucking tough. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to rip that whole thing off. But y'all see Big Bertha, y'all see the little things. I painted those rose gold, and then she's black from the back. But let me start this motherfucker, I guess. Damn, it's not even that hot in here.
What was you ripping off?
Huh?
What was you ripping off?
It was this little thing on the side panel. It's like there's plastic over it and it's starting to peel off. I gotta figure out how to paint them. But yeah, so y'all just heard me say that. I double said what I just told y'all. So yeah, I gotta figure out what to do for this one, cause that motherfucker broke. And then I think I have most of the other ones. So yeah, everything's on that one, everything's on that one. It's just that last one that don't got nothing. So, but that is the walk around on this motherfucker. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And fuck with the gram on this joint. Fuck with JoJo Mobile Details. We've been going crazy. Look, we've been going crazy, bro. I think I showed this in the beginning. But we got all the little detail stuff in the back of this motherfucker, bro, to go do details and shit. So if y'all in the Chicago area, look, I got little parts. This is gonna be in the next video right here. But if y'all in the Chicago area, y'all want a detail, make sure y'all hit us up. JoJo Mobile Details. I really got nothing left to say. Shit, JoJo out. All right, y'all. Struggling. Struggling, man, damn. That shit sound like it's struggling. And then them brakes, them going too. Them going bye-bye too. It's okay, we got a pull. See if we get that check engine light. There it is. That's all I wanted to show y'all. Misfire, baby. Hopefully this shit gets fixed. There it is. Alright. I'm chilling. Go away. There it is. Whoa. Damn, Ferrari. You got me deceased, bro. Oh my god. I'm trying to pull this thing out. Y'all heard that? Something. That was good. Oh, it fell on the ground. All right, so I just yanked this line out. I don't know, but I just yanked it out. I just said fuck it. So I guess this is probably the old ignition coil. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna start here. Cause I don't know what the fuck this is, but AC Delco. My boy gave me these Omni Sparks. Look at that. Look at that difference. New, old versus new. Silicone jacket, whatever. It's like basically the same shit. Do they look old or anything? I don't know. But hopefully, cause it's misfiring, so mainly in 4 and 6. I could show you guys those codes or put it on the screen or whatever. But so you gotta try to change all those joints out. And then we got the NGK spark plugs. We sure do got those. So we got the whole 4 packs. A hell of those. And then we got all the whole box of these. It's basically like plug and play, honestly. So I'm about to get to pulling these out, I guess. I didn't think it was gonna be like that easy, low-key. But it was like pretty easy to just fucking pull out. You just gotta jiggle it. And yeah, so we'll be back. Nothing.
You see anything?
Look, there's a spring that pushes off of it. And the spark plug right there. Found the trick. I found it. Let's see if he finds it. Y'all PP had to get a bucket.
You good?
You making me laugh. Nigga got a bucket, bro. Folks got a bucket. Come on, bro.
You have no basket, bro.
Folks got a bucket, bro. Niggas got all 4. Folks got a whole bucket. This is probably why she's spitting, though. Look at that. Look, she burnt up. She burnt up. That's probably why she's spitting, though. Imagine how them sparks look. You feel me? I don't know if they put the old ones in or they clanking dust, boy. Alright. Now these sparks. Whoo. Whoo. It'll be a little different. But we gonna get there. We gonna get there. Alright. Figure out the sparks. I got you. So look. We got all 4 out. He done got the bucket. There's the bucket. He ain't getting none of them hoes out. So JoJo to the rest. I'm just playing. Watch, I'm gonna get all these off right now. Boom. Don't call me JoJo Cars for no reason. I heard my name. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Watch how I struggle too, G. Watch, they gonna be different too. They feel different. Never mind. I lied.
Yeah, I don't want to break this.
You sure? It's a truck, bro. This shit gonna break you before you break it, nigga. you know it's true, nigga. It's a V8. What are you gonna do to this block? What are you scared of?
It's not even the block.
What is it?
Look, it's not my whip. So.
It's all technical shit, boys. You say you got one out?
No.
You said no? You gotta like rock these holes out. And these fucking finger strong and shit. Oh, that last one, bro. That last one. This is what he was talking about. That's why it was so loose. Bitch ass motherfuckers probably couldn't put it in right. You see how easy that fucking was, and it was just all the way down there. I bet, damn, that shit eating me up, bud. All right, so we got all them out. So I guess I gotta switch them and shit. Oh, we still gotta pull the fucking spark plugs out. So, fuck. All right, y'all. So we right here. Boom. So here's the brands and stuff that I got. Look, here's the old ones versus the new ones. So you just spin through them, and then all the, we ain't even using none of the tools. I just pulled them out low key. So here you go. Look, it's kind of burnt at the top. I know y'all see that, but I guess you gotta like clean them up and reuse them. Cause I mean, at the end of the day, it is just metal right there. So, so now we gotta get them spark plugs. That's why I got my car low key. Yeah, wish y'all hit that gram. And subscribe to the channel and do all that. Y'all see, bro, look, y'all see the EF is taken apart right now? Boom, look. If y'all didn't watch the last video, this should be the last video. Before that, I should have posted it. This should be posted after that video. So my boy Stacks helped me take all that shit out. So we got this motherfucker gutted. And we washed all this shit down, all the carpets. Took that shit out. And it smelled like a car again, but it's, yeah. So it's all fucking gutted, and then I'm gonna try to get it painted and shit soon. So it look good right now though. Like, I like that red, like that you can see inside, and you see that red. So it ain't gonna be red, but yeah. And then y'all see this. Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe for real. Y'all see my boy Stacks 37, his weak ass G. He need to get this shit out the shop. But we finna try to get these sparks out and be back. So I'm just trying to get to that spark right now. I think I got it. That shit is going to one of them unscrewed. This one unsoldered. I gotta get it out. I'm gonna just try to unscrew them out and go with a smaller rig. Whatever, to finish it off the job or whatever. So right now I'm just getting it in, making sure it's on, and then I'm gonna put the tool down there. Trying to loosen that hole. I think that was the tool. That was definitely the tool. Yeah, that was definitely the tool. Look at this. I mean, y'all think that's why she's spinning? Y'all see Stacks ugly ass. I'm focusing my shit. I think that's why. That might be why she's spinning. Look at this. Hold on. Old versus new. Damn, look at that. That shit burnt up. Did they just put the old sparks in there? I fucking hope not. I'm saying that because supposedly this is supposed to be a newer engine, so I'm gonna just throw everything in this box. But apparently they just replaced it like what, 3 years ago. The guy told me so. So I'm just wondering. But I'm gonna just continue to take them out. It's like low-key a pain in the ass, but I'm getting there. Y'all see me struggling a little bit. And I'm gonna just continue taking them out. It's just literally lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's just getting there and getting to it. It's kind of annoying, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. And we still got a whole another side, and the other side is harder. So it's like more fucking curves and shit. All right, we're gonna be there. Y'all see me, bro? Dripping. See my hands? Hold on. Fucked up. Look, this bitch had me up here, knee right here, knee right here. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all my setup. Boom. To get that back one, y'all see, I could kind of see the tool right there. It's behind this stick right here. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. All right, look at me. I'm on this motherfucker. All right, to get to this hole, I had to reach down in this bitch to get the bro. Unscrewing this hole, like you barely have space to move, bro. Gee. And this is after a lot of screwing. This nigga said don't fall into the engine. He playing a little Mario Kart game or some bullshit. A little bitch ass nigga. Anyways, but we in this hole doing some real man shit, unlike niggas playing Mario Kart games and shit. Niggas want to play Mario Kart. What? So he's playing Mario Kart, and then yeah, so he's playing Mario Kart or some shit. Some weak ass shit. But I'm trying to get my car to be a Mario Kart type shit. So fuck what he's talking about. I'm trying to take out these spark plugs so my shit could be and then he gonna wanna drive this shit too. Nope. I'm just playing with y'all, G. Look, hold on. I'm doing this by hand because this is annoying. Oh my god. It's like sweat getting in my eyes and shit. It's not okay. Bro. Finally, bro. Oh, fuck y'all. And there's only one on this side. Just gave me a whole fight. A whole fight and a half. So I'm finna get back to it. Struggling with all them hoes. And I'll be right back. Alright, I'm lucky mad I didn't do the spark plugs going back and forth. I mean, how they looked versus the old ones. But all the wires are back. I know you can barely see. All the wires are back in and connected. So, or he's working on the other side. Look, I got cut and shit. And dirty as shit. Alright, now he's trying to put the wire on the last one. That's just annoying as hell. That's that last one that's annoying as fuck. Back there. So it's low-key the left corner one that's like low-key giving the most problems, but all the other ones is not that bad. Honestly, it's just lefty loosey, righty tighty with all this shit. Pull all this shit out initially and then do all that. So put it all back. So it wasn't like too crazy difficult. We'll see how it runs in a second. But we're trying to get this mug on. So stay tuned, I guess. Alright, 10 hours later and an ass beating later, we're gonna see. How this mug still sound, G. I'm looking scared. Of course it does this shit. It hasn't been started in a minute. It was a cold start. You never heard a cold start. Check engine light still there. But we'll see how it feels, because y'all seen that it was lugging. It was like, as long as I showed y'all that, I think y'all Gucci. And that check engine light would flash. So we'll see right now if it lugs. I'm about to be on the highway, so we'll see what the fuck happens. Something gotta happen on the highway, so either the check engine light goes away. I know that's happened before on this mug. Huh? I didn't go over nothing. It was the thing on the top. But yeah, y'all. And yeah, fucking bottles and shit. I gotta fucking sweep all this water out. But she's chilling though. She sound good. We were gonna leave it out with the cargo door open and all that. It's good. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get to moving and then we're gonna see how this mug.
Better already. Spider-Man better.
Alright, yeah, I got a little pull. The check engine light's still on, but there it is. That's Bertha. That's Bertha right there. That's Bertha. That's Bertha. That's definitely Bertha.
Way better.
Hell yeah.
Way better.
Now I can push the toe. Finally.
The E-way is gonna suck it on.
Oh yeah, it's an instant now. I know how to drive.
Way better.
I ain't drive this truck in a minute like this, so it's been weeks. I mean, weeks. Oh fuck. Hopefully that check engine light goes away. Me personally, I think the check engine light is gonna go away, but just because how Chevy is set up, after a while it'll probably just clear itself. But we will see. I'm not gonna assume. Let's take some soft streets. Go first, anyways. And then after that, we got brakes, shocks. So as long as this motherfucker sounding good and running good right now, we good. We good. Y'all see them spark plugs? They were horrible. So I definitely think that was probably the reason. Most likely the reason. Definitely, they were black as fuck. So they were like,
Even the shield around them.
yeah, the shield was fucking dirty as hell. Y'all seen them? I showed y'all them. So burnt as fuck. So it was probably just burning down there. Now it sounds way better. Hopefully it like saves gas and shit too. I mean, y'all think, or like too much? It's still a truck, right? Hold on, I got y'all on another pool. Cause it wasn't able to do this shit. Look, I think he tried to pull. Folks is trying to pull. Folks is definitely trying to pull. He just got fucked up by a V8. 6K truck. Hey, buddy. Big Bertha goes crazy. Listen to this. Why is she doing that?